current student of ADC English classes, and today I want to put forward my opinion about the topic, which is why we should face the challenges. I think that in everyone's life there are many challenges, but it is not our means to face. It is our duty to face that challenges with easily and take that challenges means. In our hand to means face the challenges is not a very big challenge for us, but to fear that challenge it is a very important means we fear to the challenges, but if we take that challenges in our hand and do consistently every work, so it is means very easy to complete that challenge. So what can you say?
Yes, I'm totally appreciate with you. Firstly, I introduce myself Gauri Nimai, and I am studying in 10th standard. As you say, we want to fear the challenges, but I want to say this. We don't want to fear the challenges, but we want to face that challenges.
But sometimes we fear means by our work means if that work is very hard, so we fear
just
that challenge.
sometimes we want to fear the challenges, but not every time we want to fear the challenges, because if you fear the challenges, so you will means totally lose your life or your
Confidence.
your confidence also. And if you want to achieve something or do something in your life, so you want to face all of the challenges, because when you facing challenges at that time, you will get some confidence,
Yes.
confidence or experience also.
Yeah.
Experience also important in life.
Yeah.
And as you means fought against that problem or that situation,
Yeah.
you will get experience also. And sometimes we get some means a good lesson from that situation.
Yeah.
Also. So what you
Yes, I am totally appreciate with you. Means our challenges starts from our daily routine. Means in day to day life there are many more challenges in our life. But means I think that to take that challenges very easily. You should think about that. I can do it with easily, and I should do it, because due to that your confidence also boost and you can do that easily. Means in our daily routine there are many more challenges, but to do more and more practice. Suppose I have to means in our life there are most important challenges our state study and our exam. So for preparing that exam with easily and do many more hard work and means practice about study more and more, so we can do easily complete that challenge. So what can you say?
Yes, as you say, study is a very most of the
No, exam is very
exam is a very important challenge in our life. But as we get it's our responsibility,
Yeah.
so we can face that challenge also easily. If you get an exam such as this is our responsibility for
Yeah.
our society, our family, so you get a success in that exam, and also in your that's a goal. And just you want to do anything, so you want to get that challenge as your responsibility. If you get as a responsibility, you must be do that work. And if
Yeah.
you get as a challenge, so you means lost your confidence against that challenge. So I think what can you say about
Yes,
this?
I am totally appreciate with you. Means in our life, suppose I want to take example. Virat Kohli is a big cricketer. In his life, there are many more challenges to play betterly, to win the match. But it is not means he continues his work with easily and do more and more practice about the cricket, and always perfecting her work due to his work. So due to that he always perfect in his playing a cricket, and due to that he is a very big cricketer. So I think that everyone should be perfect in that means to facing challenges, and if we face challenges, so always, so our confidence also boost and we can do that easily. So what can you say?
Sam, we appreciate with you. As you say, we want to get out more and more challenges to solve, and by that challenges we get more and more things, and also get lessons and many more things. So thank you all of you.
Lastly, I want to say that everyone should means face the challenges with easily and take means our in our hand to and try to understand that and try to always complete that challenges. And I think that भगवान खेल भी उसी के साथ खेलता है जो खेल का पक्का खिलाड़ी होता है. So it's enough for us. Thank you.